Hello everyone, today we will find out whether it is necessary to use lemon for gout. Like the video, so you help develop the channel. Enjoy watching. As you know, gout affects the joints, where uric acid salts accumulate. Previously, this disease mainly affected older men, but today the disease affects women and young people. Gout is a form of arthritis caused by deposits of urate crystals, that is, uric acid salts in the joint. As a result, inflammatory processes develop, which are accompanied by intense pain during exacerbations. Lemon juice for gout has a beneficial effect for a number of reasons. During the digestion process, citric acid breaks down into an alkaline derivative, which in turn has a neutralizing effect on uric acid, which accumulates in the body with gout. Thus, lemon helps eliminate uric acid. It welcomes the crystallization of this substance and its accumulation in the form of salts. Lemon juice is also valued for its beneficial effect on the liver because it improves the outflow of bile, which in turn helps normalize processes. Purine metabolism, vitamin, fiber, bioflavonoids, and pectin substances help normalize digestion, which is especially important for gout. In addition, the listed substances help the body to quickly get rid of toxins. Potassium, which is part of lemon, has a beneficial effect not only on the cardiovascular system but also on the renal system. It helps remove excess uric acid and its salts from the body. Therefore, drinking lemon is important not only for gout but also for urolithiasis. With regular consumption of lemon, an acid-base balance is gradually formed in the body, which contributes to overall health. One of the most common recipes is considered to be mixing lemon juice and baking soda. The product is prepared in the following proportion. Take freshly squeezed juice of 1 medium fruit and half a teaspoon of soda. After the solution finishes foaming, dilute it with a glass of boiled water and mix thoroughly and drink in small sips throughout the day. An excellent option is a couple of cups of traditional hot tea with lemon several times a day. You can also prepare such a drink in warm water, add a few teaspoons of lemon juice and honey, mix thoroughly, and drink. This will give you an excellent diuretic that improves kidney function and promotes the elimination of uric acid. Another excellent way to treat gout is simply consuming lemon slices daily. This measure will help reduce uric acid levels in the body. However, if you experience pain or a feeling of heaviness in the stomach, then you should stop this lemon therapy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like and be sure to subscribe to the channel until we meet in the next video.